Hello there everybody, we're just going to do a quick program today. Basically we're going to get the length of a string and we're going to use some conditional statements as well. So I'm going to call this A is equal to, this is my variable here, hello world. Let's be original, eh? Hello world. Nothing more original than that. Okay. So what we're going to do now is, we're going to print the length of A. And we're going to use the conditional statement here. If length of A, which is the string up there, hello world, if the length of A is greater than 6, we're going to say for X in A, print X. So if it's greater than 6, else, what can we do? Else, if it's not greater than 6, let's say print not greater, not greater than 6. Okay, so just gonna save that and let's run it. There we go, check that out. So it's printed it. Okay, I'll just close that down there. Let's just alter it a little bit so we know that's greater than 6. Let's just alter it a little bit. If the length of A is, let's say, less than, say 2, and then we'll loop through it and print X. Let's run that. There we go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie.